Earlier this month, I was having dinner with one of my friends who is the director of a very big company in Mumbai. He shared some first-hand experience with the corrupt bureaucrats in Maharashtra. If ED has some time, then it can investigate all the factory inspectors of Maharashtra. I'm sure that they will achieve this financial year's target in this quarter itself. I remember that when I heard the news of Amudan Chemicals boiler explosion on May 23rd, 2024 in Dombivli, Maharashtra. 8 people were killed and 62 injured. I assume there is no value of life and property at Dombivli. Industries still haven't learned the lesson from the catastrophic accidents that happened in the past. To cite a few, first is a massive fire of Metropolitan Exchem Private Limited on April 18, 2020, which took around 4 days for the fire to extinguish and resulted in a property loss of over 500 crores. Second to cite is the accident at Amber Chemicals on 3rd of August 2020, with no fatalities reported but a huge loss of property. Yet another to cite is the accident at the Dortmund Laboratories reactor explosion on 27th April 2019, which resulted in 2 casualties. Yet two other workers were injured in an air compressor explosion at Elefin Company on 20th November 2017. Another incident to cite is the explosion at Probac Chemicals on 26 May 2016, which resulted in 12 fatalities. And now yesterday's accident, which probably caused due to exothermic reaction caused due to the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. When operating a boiler, hydrogen peroxide is utilized as a cleaning agent. Although hydrogen peroxide is not flammable, when it breaks down, it produces oxygen, which helps with combustion. The mishap would have started with the hydrogen peroxide breaking down into hydrogen and oxygen, which caused an explosion. Hydrogen peroxide may also explode if it reacts with any organic materials such as grease or oil, which are present in the boiler system. As a result of the explosion, adjacent industries like Saptavarma Chemicals, Mehta Paints, and KGN Chemicals were also in the explosion trap, resulting in damage to the property. The blast could be heard 5 kilometers away and boiler parts fell 1.5 kilometers away. The cause of the explosion may be attributed to factors such as overpressure. A rupture or explosion may occur if the pressure within the boiler surpasses the upper bounds of its design. This may occur as a result of safety system failure, faulty control operation, or failure of the pressure release mechanisms. Lack of maintenance. Poor maintenance practices such as neglecting to inspect, clean, or repair the boiler regularly can lead to the accumulation of scale, corrosion, and other defects that weakens the boiler's structure over time. Corrosion. Metal parts of the boiler such as the boiler shell, tubes, fittings can corrode and weaken the material, increasing the likelihood of the collapse under pressure. Faulty controls. The boiler may operate outside safe parameters due to malfunctioning or improperly adjusted control systems like pressure gauges, pressure safety valves, automatic shutdown mechanisms. Water level issues. The boiler's water level can fluctuate, leading to uneven heating or cooling of the metal surfaces, causing thermal stresses and potential failures. Combustion issues. Abnormal pressure buildup in boiler can be caused by the issues with the combustion process such as fuel supply issue, improper air to fuel ratio, or burner malfunction. To prevent boiler accidents, a comprehensive approach involving proper design, installation, operation maintenance, and adherence to these safety regulations and standards is essential. Here are some key measures to prevent boiler accidents. Regular maintenance activities such as cleaning, descaling, lubricating, and replacing worn parts. Ensuring the use of treated water to prevent scale buildup, corrosion, and other water-related issues that could lead to boiler failure. Installing and maintaining safety devices to prevent overpressure situations. Providing comprehensive training to boiler operators and maintenance personnel. Ensuring the monitoring systems maintain the boiler operation within design limits. Ensuring adequate ventilation to prevent buildup of flammable or toxic gases. ensuring compliance with relevant safety regulations, codes, and standards governing the design, installation, operation, and maintenance of boilers. Through the implementation of these measures and the steadfast emphasis on safety, organizations may reduce the likelihood of the boiler mishaps and establish a more secure work environment for their workforce. I hope this was useful to you. Please do share this with your friends. I'll be back with another interesting video for you. Thank you.